Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trading signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So today is the last day of the month. It has been a very, very strong move to the downside on the Aussie dollar. And looking at this monthly candle definitely makes you think that it probably will try to go down and take out these lows before it actually does end up continuing back up. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely still a very, very strong move to the downside. I would expect this to either be 1, 2, 3 waves down for like a WXY pattern, or possibly, which is probably more likely, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern like this. Either way, it's pretty much the same strategy until you get into that third wave. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, very, very strong move to the downside. We broke structure a while back, and we still haven't really had any recovery since then. I mean, I would assume that this first move down is either an A or a 1. Eventually, it is going to have to go up and make a crutch into this move down, which would be a wave B or a wave 2. But really, it hasn't started yet, so I mean, it could possibly drift down more before it actually does start that wave B or wave 2. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still down. Our last structure level is right here, so the trend is definitely down. We are going up right now, but that move up is actually probably pretty likely just another crutch into this last move down. So this move up is either an A, B, C, and it's going to turn down like that again, or maybe it really is a 1, 2, 3. If it's a 1, 2, 3, it will go up and it will break structure, proving that this whole move down is over. If we and when we do get that breaker structure, that's when we'll be in either a wave B or a wave 2, which would be a crutch to this whole move down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely had a very nice impulsive move up, and I do think there is a nice little 5-way pattern right there, which means it's likely either an A or a 1. This move down that we're currently seeing is probably a crutch into this move up, which is likely either a wave B or a wave 2. Now, we probably will get another push up, and this is where it's going to start to be important, where we have to pay attention, because if it goes up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, makes like an impulsive turn to the downside like this, that's telling us that it's a wave C, and we definitely want to go short again. On the other hand, when it makes this impulsive move up, if it just bounces from fib levels, doesn't give you a break of structure, and eventually goes up and breaks this 4 hour time frame structure, that's telling us that it's a 1, 2, 3, and it's also, I think, going to tell us that the daily time frame move to the downside that we've been seeing, which I think is an A or a 1, is complete. So for me personally, I'm still kind of looking for shorts. I'm still kind of paying attention to my Fibonacci levels for a possible wave C, or I'm waiting for a break of structure to confirm that this A or 1 is over, so that way we can start looking for longs for the wave B or the wave 2. We got non-farm payroll tomorrow, so maybe that will be what causes the break of structure, but with the U.S. elections less than a week away, I don't know, it could be a very choppy market until then. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.